All right, this is before. Battery light should remain on because I have a broken wire. When the battery light remains on while the engine is running, it means it's bad. All right, let's fix it. All right, so I need to repair the connector on the back of the alternator. It's a 3-pin. Here's one from the junkyard from Mark II, from a Gen 2. Alright, so I want to use the junkyard one because I think the connectors match. Alright, so this is the connector that connects to the back of the alternator, and as you can see, it's damaged. I am going to cut all these. Looks like the only damage is right here at the joint, so I'm going to cut each wire and then splice them with this one. They are the same color. We have a red, so yellow with green. This one's a solid yellow. Then we have a red one and then a white one. Looks like the red one has a blue tracer, or it's just dirty, I'm not sure. So these match, except these are thicker. This is from a Gen 2 4Runner. Alright, let's make sure this one connects and fits. I should have verified that it fit prior to cutting, but it ended up working out. Alright. Alright, it fits. We're good. So I'm checking the alternator. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to check continuity. So just to verify this fuse isn't blown, we're live, and that is connected to the positive of the battery. Alright, let's try red. Nothing. Yellow. Nothing. White. Okay. Does that make sense? Because that was a cable that was broken. This white cable is connected directly to this 7.5 fuse, which is alternator, which if this fuse blows, it's going to trigger the light in the dash. Or if the white cable is severed, it's going to trigger a light in the dash. Alright, let's check for continuity. White one's connected. This is the white one. We're good. All right. All right, so we're all done with the repair. We're gonna check continuity on just one of them. That's the only one that I know. We're good. Job complete. Alright, I know you can't see, but I'm going to connect it to the back. Alright, try to take it off. it's not coming out, and then connect the alternator. All right, let's clean all the tools, start it up. All right, so the battery light should turn off after I start the engine, if it's fixed. And there it is. The battery light is off. It's charging. Thanks for watching.